E tomu atu I tala mai atu no molimau, e to anua tagata na lipotia le litio New Zealand na Māliliu, mai se osofa'iga I se tasi o nofoaga e whaatasi ai tagata Iutaia I Egelani, e faia ai latou tapuaiga, o le aso Tofi I le taimi Peretania, na aveina I ele na faia le osofa'iga se taavale, anga isa o I tagata sa whaaputopoto I lea nofoaga, ma whaau o le maliu I se sikūlātī, I lipotia leoleo Peretania, na molimau, na nanati atu leoleo ma fana le na faia le osofa'iga, ma maua I pomu, na saisai I lona tino, o le aunga o le whaaputopoto tagata Iutaia I lea taimi, o se aso tāua I le kāle na faia Iutaia, e whaatasi ai tagata e tapua'i, ana pongi, ma whaato ese le atua, e tāua o le Yom Kippur.
Earlier today, on Yom Kippur, the holiest day for the Jewish community, a vile individual committed a terrorist attack that attacked Jews because they are Jews, and attacked Britain because of our values. So many Jewish families first came to this country as a place of refuge, fleeing the greatest evil ever inflicted on a people. And Britain welcomed them. Communities like the one attacked in Manchester provided safety, but also the security that comes from a promise that this is a country that stands up to hatred, and that we don't just provide refuge, we provide a home. For so many Jewish families, that is the story of Britain. But Britain is also a country where Jewish buildings, synagogues, even schools require round-the-clock protection, where dedicated specialist security is necessary because of the daily threat of anti-Semitic hatred. Today's horrific incident shows why. And while this is not a new hate, this is something Jews have always lived with, we must be clear. It is a hatred that is rising once again, and Britain must defeat it once again. On behalf of the nation, I want to offer my condolences to the families and victims affected. I want to thank the Greater Manchester Police, the first responders, and those dedicated security specialists. There is no doubt whatsoever that they have prevented an even greater tragedy, and we thank them for their bravery. But to every Jewish person in this country, I also want to say this. I know how much fear you will be holding inside of you. I really do. And so, on behalf of our country, I express my solidarity, but also my sadness that you still have to live with these fears. Nobody should have to do that. Nobody. And so I promise you that I will do everything in my power to guarantee you the security that you deserve, starting with a more visible police presence protecting your community. I promise you that over the coming days, you will see the other Britain, the Britain of compassion, of decency, of love. And I promise you that this Britain will come together to wrap our arms around your community and show you that Britain is a place where you and your family are safe, secure, and belong. Thank you.